NYC. The real best places to visit in USA 2025. When people think of the United States, the first destination that comes to mind is New York City, the Big Apple. But here's the truth. The USA is way bigger, way more diverse, and packed with places that go far beyond NYC. So today, we're counting down the top 15 real best places to visit in the USA in 2025. From hidden gems and cultural cities to breathtaking natural wonders. Buckle up, because number 1 on this list might just surprise you. #15. Key West, Florida. Starting off our countdown is Key West, the southernmost point of the USA. With colorful houses, quirky streets, and sunsets at Mallory Square, Key West feels like paradise with a playful twist. Add in snorkeling, sailing, and the famous key lime pie, and you've got an island escape like no other. Why 2025? Ecotourism efforts are stronger than ever, so you can enjoy paradise responsibly. 14. Glacier National Park, Montana. And number 14, we head to the wild north. Glacier National Park is a jaw-dropping wilderness of crystal lakes, snowy peaks, and over 700 miles of trails. Wildlife lovers, this is grizzly bear and bald eagle country. Why 2025? Sadly, the glaciers are melting fast. Seeing them now is truly a once-in-a-lifetime chance. 13. Seattle, Washington. At 13, welcome to the Emerald City. Known for coffee culture, tech innovation, and the Space Needle, Seattle perfectly blends urban life with outdoor beauty. Stroll Pike Place Market, then escape to Mount Rainier just a short drive away. Why 2025? Seattle has become one of America's top futuristic hubs while staying surrounded by nature. 12. Savannah, Georgia. Coming in at number 12 is one of America's most enchanting cities. Picture oak trees draped in Spanish moss, cobblestone squares, and hauntingly beautiful mansions. Savannah offers ghost tours, riverfront walks, and classic Southern cuisine. Why 2025? The city's preservation projects keep its old-world charm alive while welcoming modern visitors. #11. Denver, Colorado. At 11, we're in the Mile High City. Denver mixes urban excitement with Rocky Mountain adventure. Downtown you'll find breweries, street art, and live music. Beyond the city, skiing, hiking, and jaw-dropping nature. Why 2025? Denver is booming as a hub for ecotourism and sustainable adventure travel. 10. Maui, Hawaii. Number 10 takes us to tropical paradise, Maui. Drive the road to Hana, snorkel with sea turtles, or watch sunrise from Haleakala Crater. It's the ultimate mix of relaxation and adventure. Why 2025? Hawaii is leading the way in sustainable travel, so you can enjoy paradise guilt-free. 9. Austin, Texas. At number 9, Austin is all about live music, tacos, and tech innovation. Known for its motto, "Keep Austin Weird," this city is where creativity thrives. From food trucks to music festivals, the energy is non-stop. Why 2025? Austin is booming as both a tech city and a cultural hotspot, making it one of the most exciting destinations in America. Anchorage, Alaska. Number 8 is an adventure lover's dream. Anchorage is your gateway to glaciers, fjords, and endless wilderness. In summer, enjoy long daylight hours for hiking and kayaking. In winter, chase the northern lights. Why 2025? New eco-friendly travel packages make exploring Alaska more accessible and sustainable. 7. Nashville, Tennessee. Lucky number 7 is Music City. Nashville is the beating heart of American country music. Broadway Street comes alive with neon lights and live bands every night. Add hot chicken and Southern hospitality, and Nashville delivers unforgettable vibes. Why 2025? Nashville is expanding its global music festivals, making it a must-visit for music fans. 6. Santa Fe, New Mexico. At number 6, Santa Fe is a desert jewel. With its adobe buildings, Native American culture, and booming art scene, it feels like nowhere else in the USA. Wander colorful markets, explore desert landscapes, and immerse yourself in centuries of culture. Why 2025? Santa Fe is solidifying its status as a global arts capital while keeping its unique heritage intact. 5. Portland, Oregon. Breaking into the top 5 is Portland, the city that embraces weird in the best way possible. With craft coffee, famous donuts, bike lanes, and endless greenery, it's perfect for young and adventurous travelers. Just outside the city lies Mount Hood, wine country, and stunning waterfalls. Why 2025? Portland has reinvented itself as a cutting-edge eco-city with easy access to nature. 4. Asheville, North Carolina. At number 4, Asheville is all about creativity and charm. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, it's packed with breweries, music venues, and art galleries. Don't miss the historic Biltmore Estate Asterisk or the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway. Why 2025? Asheville's cultural festivals are bigger than ever, making it a true hidden gem in the South. 3. Sedona, Arizona. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Sedona. Known for its glowing red rock formations and mystical energy vortexes, Sedona is both breathtaking and spiritual. Hiking, stargazing, and wellness retreats make this desert town unforgettable. Why 2025? Sedona is now a global hotspot for wellness tourism, perfect for those seeking balance and adventure. 2. Charleston, South Carolina. Runner-up at number 2 is Charleston, a southern treasure. Walk cobblestone streets lined with pastel houses, take a horse-drawn carriage ride, and savor mouth-watering seafood. Charleston is charming, historic, and irresistibly warm. Why 2025? Charleston remains one of the friendliest cities in America, blending history with modern hospitality. 1. San Diego, California. And at number 1, the crown goes to San Diego. With year-round sunshine, golden beaches, and a relaxed vibe, San Diego is everything travelers dream of. From La Jolla Cove to Balboa Park and its thriving craft beer culture, San Diego is the California dream without the chaos of LA. Why 2025? It's officially one of the greenest and most sustainable coastal cities in the USA, making it the ultimate American destination for 2025. And there you have it, the top 15 real best places to visit in USA 2025, counting down from the laid-back vibes of Key West all the way to sunny San Diego. So, if you thought New York City was the only must-visit in America, think again. The US is bursting with destinations that are cultural, adventurous, and absolutely unforgettable. Which spot is at the top of your 2025 bucket list? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic travel guides. Until next time, happy travels.